Do you want to know how you can join a channel in Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join a Telegram channel. Open the Telegram which is in your phone and then click on the three lines or go to search and then search for any channel you want. If you know the name of the channel, you can go ahead and search for it and then click on join which is in the bottom corner. After you click on join, you can see that you have already joined this channel. Let me show it to you by tapping in this channel and then clicking on join. As you can see, you have joined this channel as well. Let me give you another example. Just go to the search bar and then search for the channel's name. Let's suppose I want to search a gaming channel. I'll tap on this and just click on join. You have successfully joined this channel. So this video was about how you can join a channel in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.